Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to request an Apple Card. First, ensure you meet the basic eligibility criteria. You need to be at least 18 years old and a United States resident. Additionally, you'll need an iPhone running iOS 12.4 or a newer version. Having an Apple ID with two-factor authentication enabled is also essential for a smooth application process. Let's get started with the steps. To begin, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Look for the plus sign located in the top right corner of the screen and tap it. From the options presented, choose Apple Card and then tap Continue to proceed. This will guide you through the initial setup, asking for some basic information to start your application. It's a straightforward process designed for ease of use. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your personal details, such as your name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid delays. After submitting, you'll receive an offer with your credit limit and interest rate. Take a moment to review the terms and conditions thoroughly before accepting. Once accepted, your Apple Card is ready to use. Once approved, your Apple Card is immediately available in the Wallet app for online and in-app purchases. You'll also receive a physical titanium card for other transactions. Enjoy daily cash rewards on every purchase, with 3% back on Apple purchases, 2% when using Apple Pay, and 1% on all other transactions. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Managing your spending and payments is simple through the Wallet app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.